morning class. Today in biology I am going to teach you chapter 3 and the topic is plant life. As you know, green plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight and water. So they are called producer, and they make their food by own, so they are called autotroph. So first process by which they make their food is photosynthesis. As you know, by the process of photosynthesis, green plants make their own foods with the help of carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll, that is a green pigment which is present in plants. After the combination of these four things, they produce food that is stored in plants in the form of glucose. Food is stored in plants in form of glucose, and they produce food as a sugar and carbohydrate, plus releases the oxygen to the atmosphere. And second thing, factor affecting photosynthesis. Some factors affecting the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means, photo means light and synthesis means process. So those processes which are happen in presence of light is called photosynthesis. These factors affect the photosynthesis. First one is light intensity, second nature of light, third carbon dioxide and water, and fourth is the temperature. How affect the photosynthesis by light intensity? When the intensity of light is high, the photosynthesis rate is high, and when the light intensity is low, photosynthesis rate is very low. And second one, nature of light. Photosynthesis affected by nature of light. Blue and red color light affects the photosynthesis. In the presence of blue and red light, photosynthesis increases or rate is very high. But in other color, presence of other colors, photosynthesis rate is very low. Third one is carbon dioxide and water. Poor availability of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere and poor availability of water in the soil affects the photosynthesis. When they are found in poor availability, photosynthesis decreases in the plants, and when the carbon dioxide and water present in large amount, then photosynthesis rate is increases. Fourth is temperature. On photosynthesis, temperature effect is temperature not affected the photosynthesis. Temperature affected the photosynthesis on the basis of their surroundings. How do plants obtain their requirements for the photosynthesis? किस तरह से plants अपनी requirements को पूरा करते हैं? For photosynthesis, plants need the following. As I told you, plants need these things for the photosynthesis. And how they obtain? Carbon dioxide. Green plants obtain carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The presence of stomata on the lower side of the leaves take in the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And second one is the water. Plants absorb the water from the soil through their roots. And the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment, as you know. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is present in plants. It helps in process of photosynthesis. With the help of photosynthesis, plants make their food. And the fourth one is the sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, photosynthesis occurs, and they take the light from the sun. Through sunlight, sunlight gives the solar energy. By the use of solar energy, they convert the solar energy into chemical energy of the food. Now the next topic is role of leaves in photosynthesis. As you know, photosynthesis occurs mostly in leaves. So this is the internal structure of leaves for photosynthesis. What is present in internal structure of leaves? In the leaves, presence of chlorophylls containing cells are present in the leaves at the inner side, and presence of small pores, that is stomata, are present on the lower side of the leaves. So these two things containing leaves. What happened? Stomata, through these stomata carbon dioxide enters through these stomata to the leaves, and the sunlight captured by chlorophyll that is present in the leaves, and through veins water enters through the veins of the leaf. Veins of the leaves, through water enters the leaves. Now the internal structure of the leaves. A leaf has a transparent layer on the top most outer side of the internal structure of leaves has a transparent layer. Under the transparent layer, their skins have many layers of the cells, and under these skins many bag-like structures containing water and living cells are present, and in the middle side there are chloroplasts are present, and chloroplasts are surrounded by a liquid material that is called cytoplasm. This is the structure of leaf cells showing the chloroplast. And third is the structure and function of stomata. As you know, stomata is present on the lower side of the leaves. So structure of stomata. Stomata containing guard cells, and guard cells shapes is like bean shape. See, this is the bean shapes. Cells are present in stomata made up of bean cells, bean like shaped cells, that is called guard cells. These bean shaped cells are called guard cells, and when the water is filled in these guard cells, it will swollen and the stomata will open for the absorbing water, and when it absorbs water, photosynthesis will occur in plants, and when the water releases from the plants, then the stomata will be closed, and at the night time or in dark light there is no photosynthesis takes place in plants, because photosynthesis takes place only in the presence of sunlight. Normally stomata opens during the daytime, because in the daytime sun is present. So this is the structure and function of the stomata. And these guard cells are surrounded by subsidiary cells. It's called the stomatal apparatus. This is the closed structure of the stomata, and this is the open structure of the stomata. When there is a water filled, it will swollen and फैल जाता है, बाहर की साइड मोटा हो जाता है. Then stomata open and photosynthesis occurs in the cell of the leaves. Now I would like to conclude this video. If you have any problem, you can ask me, and thank you.